Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to show only notifications page on system settings in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Before configure the settings, I am going to show you the settings. Right click on start menu and click on settings, and look here all options are showing, and in settings you will find many options. Now I am going to show you how to show only this notification page in settings. Close settings, in search type gpedit, click on edit group policy. Under computer configurations, click on administrative template and expand it. Now click on control panel. In control panel you will find a settings page visibility, and it's not configured right now. Just right click on settings page visibility and click on edit. Now click on enabled, and under settings page visibility option type show only, clone notifications. Now click on apply, click on OK. Now settings page visibility is enabled. To make immediate effective your changes in group policy, you have to update the group policy. To update group policy, right click on start menu, click on run. In run type gp update /force. Now click on OK. Updating policy. Computer policy update has completed successfully. Now I am going to check. Right click on start menu, click on settings, and look here. In settings, only system and notifications page is showing, and all other options are hidden right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.